What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James. So today we're going to be recording and doing a drone shot of the Dublin franchise ranch. We're here at the Taylor Morrison, and we're going to be kind of flying around the neighborhood, give you guys a quick update of the area. So currently, right now, what you're seeing here is we are at the Taylor Morrison, Dublin, California, and franchise ranch. So guys, the builder here is gonna be Taylor Morrison and Trumark homes, and right now what you're seeing here is you're seeing us flying across the first phase of the new construction for the Taylor Morrison properties. This one, guys, they have two different type of collection. They have the Prime Rose and they have the Luxembourg. And this one right here is the Prime Rose, and the Prime Rose has about 2,600 square feet all the way to 2,900 square feet, and it ranges between 4 to 5 bedrooms, and you can it has like 3 to 4 bath, depending on which unit you choose. And right up there, as we continue to keep on flying, that is going to be Trumark home. And Trumark, they have their collection also as well. And the things that you want to see is those are going to be their smaller collection right there for the Trumark homes. And right across from that is going to be their larger collections. And the larger collection, has more square footage, okay? But anyways, so we're just flying around, showing you guys the whole area and showing you guys the recent development. They are currently selling these right now, these Trumark homes. It's first come, first serve, and all you need to do is reach out to one of us, so then we can help you guys see it, schedule a time to see it. But we'll just wear a hard hat and everything. But this is a really nice overall community. One of the things that people like about this site is that it's really close to the BART station, and it's really close to the San Francisco Premium Outlet. Not too far away from downtown Dublin. It's part of one of the Tri-Valley vineyard. But right here, guys, this is the bigger units right here. It's pretty spacious. I believe this is the Luxembourg unit that they have, and they should have this available sometime in the month of April/May for touring. It's a pretty big square footage unit, around 3,500 to 4,000 square feet. Definitely for multi-family purposes. But those are going to be this. It's going to range in the 2.8 all the way to 3.5 maybe, around that range, based on the price per square footage. So if you want to, they haven't released a price yet, but if you calculate the price per square foot, that's kind of what you'll see. But you notice that these homes right here, it has a bigger backyard, bigger square footage land. But anyways, we're just flying around, showing you guys the area. And pretty soon we'll be flying over like the park, which is on the right side. They're working on the community park. And guys, HOA here is around $355. $345, $355, and the property tax rate is around 1.6. So if you're buying a 2.5 million, times that by 1.6%, that's the yearly tax rate on estimate. So you're looking at probably around $40,000 a year on property tax for this area. But that is right there is the Dublin second phase right there. That is the other one that we just flew by. That is the Trumark bigger unit. This one is the Dublin Franchise Ranch Taylor Morrison bigger unit, and you can kind of see they have a mother-in-law suite right there, right? And these will be ready, of course, April/May. The other one, which is the Trumark, those are pretty nice too, but these would be really nice. Good sized yard, 2-car garage. It looks to me like there's a tandem car garage also as well. But you can see how spacious it is. These will be ready for sale within the next couple months. So, and nice little garage right there. Anyways, it's quite a bit. You guys need more information about it, let us know, give us a call, send us a text. We'd love to help you guys out. If you're in the market of buying, selling, or investing here in the Dublin, California area, our contact is in the description. Anyways, enjoy this video, guys. Peace and love. Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithpham.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California. Also, we have partner agents in all of Central Valley, Southern California, including Irvine, Orange County, along with Portland, Oregon. If you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithpham.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right, guys, look forward to helping you. Peace and love.